When you search for the best floor cleaner machines, everything looks the same. Same shiny floors, same spray bottles, same promises. But once you actually use them, the differences become painfully obvious. Some leave streaks, some break after a few months, and others just don't clean as well as they claim. Today, I'm breaking down the real winners and the ones that fall short.
Product number 1, Swiffer Power Mop. A name you've probably seen everywhere. At around $27, it's one of the most affordable options and comes with everything you need. The mop, 2 pad refills, cleaning solution, and batteries. If you want a quick, no-fuss way to clean your floors without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 5x cleaning power claim comes from those hundreds of scrubbing strips that absorb and lock in dirt, and honestly, it does a solid job on light messes. It's also super lightweight, and the swivel head makes it easy to get under furniture. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you hate dragging out a bucket and wringing a mop, this cuts your cleaning time in half. You just spray, mop, and go. The fresh scent lasts a couple of hours, which is nice if you want your house to smell clean without using harsh chemicals. Now, some people complained about the pods being too thin and not reusable. Here's the thing though, this is a disposable system, so you're paying for convenience, not longevity. If you're okay with buying refills, it's fine. But if you want something eco-friendly, this isn't it. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space and need fast touch-ups. Skip this one if you have heavy buildup or want a long-term cleaning solution. For the price, it's great for quick jobs.
Product number 2, Shark Steam Mop S1000. If Swiffer's disposable pads bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Shark Steam Mop S1000 uses only water and heat to sanitize your floors, no chemicals needed. At $60, it's still budget-friendly and comes with 2 machine washable pads. If you want a chemical-free clean that actually kills germs, this is a game changer. The 1,050 watts of power generates steam in just 30 seconds, and the 18-foot cord gives you serious range. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Steam cleaning is ideal if you have kids or pets crawling around because it sanitizes without leaving toxic residue. The removable water tank makes refills easy, and the lightweight design means you won't strain your back. Now, some people complained about water spots on hardwood. Here's the thing though, that usually happens if you use too much water or don't dry the floor quickly. Just go slow and use the right setting. This is perfect for you if you want deep cleaning without chemicals. Skip this one if you have unsealed floors or hate waiting for steam to build up. For under $60, it's a solid investment.
Product number 3, Bissell Spinwave. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for deep cleaning. The Bissell Spinwave costs $120 and uses spinning pods to scrub your floors. No elbow grease required. If you want powerful cleaning without breaking your back, this is the one. It comes with 6 washable pods and 3 cleaning formulas, so you're set for months. The corded design means you never run out of power, and the swivel head gets into tight corners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have sticky spills or dried-on messes, the rotating pods do the work for you. The targeted spray lets you apply solution exactly where needed, so you're not wasting cleaner. Now, some people complained about the cord being annoying. Here's the thing though. Yes, it's not cordless, but that means consistent power. If you have a large space, just use an extension cord. This is perfect for you if you want a deep clean without scrubbing manually. Skip this one if you prefer battery-powered tools. For the performance, it's worth the price.
Product number 4, Tecum Robot Vacuum and Mop G8000 Max. If you're tired of mopping altogether, this next one automates the whole process. The Tecum G8000 Max is a robot vacuum and mop combo that runs for up to 150 minutes and recharges itself. At $114, it's a steal for what it does. If you want hands-free cleaning, this is the future. It has 5,000 PA suction, a 450 milliliter dustbin, and a 300 milliliter water tank, so it vacuums and mops at the same time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're busy or just hate cleaning, this thing does it all while you relax. The app control lets you schedule cleanings, and the 2.99-inch height gets under most furniture. Now, some people complained about mopping performance on tough stains. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to replace deep cleaning. It's perfect for daily maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want automated upkeep. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty scrubbing. For the price, it's one of the best smart cleaners out there.
Product number 5, Shark Steam and Scrub S8001.
If you want the most powerful steam cleaner on this list, the Shark Steam & Scrub S8001 delivers. At $160, it's the priciest, but it includes LED headlights, 3 steam modes, and rotating scrub pads. If you want hospital-level clean without chemicals, this is it. The 1120 watts and over 150 scrubs per minute tackle the toughest stains. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have stubborn grime or pet oxidants, this thing powers through them. The XL water tank means fewer refills, and the swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver. Now, some people complain about the weight. Here's the thing though, yes, it's heavier than others, but that's because it's built to last. This is perfect for you if you want the deepest clean possible. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight. For serious cleaning, it's worth every penny.
So which one should you buy? If you want something cheap and easy, go with the Swiffer. For chemical-free cleaning, the Shark S1000 is great. Need power? The Bissell Spinwave delivers. Want automation? The Ticom robot is a winner. And if you're going all in on deep cleaning, the Shark Steam & Scrub is the best. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which one you're trying.